The sound travels in the caves.
You're late.
They would have missed me had I come sooner.
What have you got for me?
Avalon is moving to winter quarters in the ice caves.
Has Blake made contact with Avalon?
Yes. She's asked for transportation to a safer planet.
And Blake has agreed?
His ship has already entered our star system. The rendezvous is expected within 50 hours.
Blake, there are 5 interceptors orbiting the atmosphere now.
This time we'll be ready for you, Blake.
They're all below the horizon at the moment. Track them.
And don't imagine that they will maintain the same orbit. I've summarized the relevant data.
And?
We've come at the worst time, of course. The Northern Hemisphere is just entering its winter cycle. They call it the long cold. Something of an understatement. It lasts the equivalent of 8.5 Earth years.
Does it support any intelligent life?
Does the Liberator? There are humanoid creatures called subterons. They live in caves. Quite what that says for their intelligence, I really wouldn't know.
Why the Federation there?
Minerals. About 30 years ago, it was discovered that deposits were seeping down into the ice and forming gemstones of outstanding purity and hardness. They are called ice crystals. The Federation uses them in heavy-duty lasers. They are mined by the subterons as a slave labor force.
Ah, that is why Avalon's here.
Perhaps. But the ice crystals are unique and, as such, quite valuable.
No. Avalon has started resistance movements on a dozen Federation planets.
Another idealist, poor but honest. I shall look forward to our meeting with eager anticipation.
Is your anticipation eager enough to come down there with me?
Not quite. I think I shall contain my enthusiasm here in the room.
Which of you is Avalon? Want Avalon? Now.
Who betrayed us?
Take off. Finish it.
No, no, please wait! It's me, Turlock, I helped you! I gave you Avalon! I gave you Avalon! They're gonna kill us!